Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Illustrator tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to save your Illustrator file as EPS file. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. Then go ahead and click on Save a Copy. Then it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and select your file destination. I'm going to save this into my desktop, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go to Save as Type. Click on here and make sure you choose EPS in Illustrator. Come down below right here and click on Save. And this is going to pop up right here. So the fashion right here, go ahead and click on here. If you have a different fashion of the Illustrator, like for instance, if you are trying to open this EPS file with any fashion lesser than EPS 2020, you have to choose options right here. But as for me, I'm leaving it in EPS 2020 EPS file. Then go ahead and click on the color options right here. You have TIFF color. Then if you want to convert it to black and white, you can choose black and white or not. I'm going to leave it in this way right here. Then scroll down right here. Then you have compatible gradient and gradient mesh printing. So if it is a print, you want to open the template for a print design, you can check on this. Lastly, come down below right here and click on OK. Just like so. After I successfully save the file, you can go ahead and look for the file in your folder. So I have the folder right here. So you can see now that has been successfully saved to EPS file. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.